Imagine your body is like an iPad. It has a battery, and that battery powers everything you need to do: thinking clearly, staying calm, making good choices, remembering things, being kind, even having fun. That battery is your body budget. And just like an iPad, if the battery gets low, certain things stop working properly. Certain apps won't open, performance is slow, warnings start to pop up, it goes into low power mode, and ultimately, suddenly just shuts down. The same is true for us. When your battery is nearly empty, your brain starts shutting down all of the non essential apps like thinking flexibly, taking other people's perspective, remembering things that we need to do. We might yell or cry or shut down or say things that we don't mean. Even small things like trying to find your backpack or deciding what snack to eat can feel really overwhelming. If you've been worried all day, arguing with a friend, skipping meals, not sleeping well, or trying to hide your feelings, your brain is using up extra battery power. How to recharge? Just like you charge your iPad, you can recharge your body budget with sleep, food, movement, quiet time, talking to someone who gets you, or just doing something fun. And just like you wouldn't wait until your iPad hits 1%, you shouldn't wait until a meltdown to take care of your battery. Knowing where your battery level is really helps you manage your feelings and make good choices. So if you think your brain battery is low, you might need to think about what helps you recharge.
I